News Update.
Everyone, Basil Chapman here. It's good to be back after yesterday being all ready and then having some technical difficulties. So we're back in the Dow's down 335 after making an all-time high yesterday. That was a very sharp decline, over 300 points, and whoosh, the buy the dippers came in. I don't think it's going to work today. I think there's a slight change. I'll be talking about that on my show. It's called the Dark News Cloud Cover. There it is, dark news cloud cover, and we'll talk about what impact it could have. I say could because we don't know for sure, but there will be, we're preparing for that. So we're looking at the Dow down at the 35,288 level. I'd say to subscribers to my opening call. The reason why we've taken profits in our diamonds alongside of the Dow on the shorter term position and switched to the short side is because I think there's a change here, and we'll talk about that in a moment. Look at the S&P, all-time high yesterday. Where did that go? S&P, all-time high yesterday. I keep putting in those down arrows. Shouldn't be a down arrow yet. It makes a 4480.26 all-time high yesterday. Peak D in the Chapman methodology. Watch out below. If we start to trade below 4428, that's going to be a big problem, and we're at 44, 43 right now, down 36. Not even, we haven't got a confirmed peak D yet because the day is young, but if there is a turn down from here, we've got to be careful, that's all. QQQ, same thing, NDX 100, I had that alternate count. I'm inclined to consider this alternate count. Maybe I'll do it again today or tomorrow, we'll see. But in the meantime, the Qs are down 4 at 364.97. Off the 369.91 high of the 8th of the 5th of August. It's taken all this time and hasn't been able to get back to that high. We're watching this closely in the IWM Russell 2000 at 216.04 down 3. It's arching over after a peak D. There is another peak D, and that weekly chart says really good chance we take the second arch formation in an M pattern, and we try to test the 208s at some point over the next 2 weeks. We're looking at the, let's go to gold. Gold, in fact, has turned around nicely. It has come off that major low of 6 sessions ago. It's at the 1791 level. There's a chance it could try for 1805 if it does it. That's really positive. I'll be back in a moment for the Tiger Technicians Hour. Check out my opening call, my daily newsletter. Basil Chapman signing off. Hope to see you back here in a few minutes for the Tiger Technicians Hour.
The reality is that navigating financial